Hello everybody, I'd like to introduce my lovely granddaughter Cleo. She's got a day off school today and a bit of a loose end, so she's come to me and Grandad to spend the day, and we are cooking. What are we cooking up?
Chicken, pepper and chorizo bake.
That sounds lovely. Have I made that before?
Yes.
I have, yes, you're right, lots of times, and it's a really good recipe. So what do we need for it today, Cleo? We're going to double the recipe, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah, because you're taking some home and Grandad and I are having some as well. Okay.
So because we're doubling it, we have 2 medium red onions, 8 medium tomatoes, 4 peppers, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, a teaspoon of hot smoked paprika, and 50 grams of chorizo.
Yeah, and we were going to put some sweet potato in, weren't we? Because we've got some in the fridge. And we've got salt and pepper to go in as well. So we'll take a break here while we prepare the veg, okay?
Yes.
See you in a bit. Okay. And all those bits can go in the bowl. That's it. Now the next one. I'll help you. Now we're going to prepare the peppers. So chopping down as best you can and turn it. That's it. And the next one, just keep those fingers out of the way of the knife blade. You might want to lay it down on the side for this last bit, just chop that top bit out. Right, now we are quartering the tomatoes. We've already washed them, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've washed them. And we're just chopping them into 4 now so that they can be spread over the dish when we get it finally into the baking dish. There we go. Getting expert with that knife. Well done. That's it. Keep your fingers out of the way. Well done. Chop right down, that's it. Got it. Well done, and we shall have that job done in no time at all. Well done. Now we're doing some sweet potato. We've chopped the sweet potato in half because it was a rather large one. And I've taken the peel off, and now Cleo is chopping it into, she hopes, fairly even sized pieces, not too large, so that they cook as quickly as the other things. And she's just practicing. She's got to put her finger on the end of the blade. Do you remember? Yeah, press down with that and then chop with the back piece. Push it down. Go on, rock it backwards and forwards until you get it. That's it, that's it. And now again. Good girl. That's it. Press. Are you doing it?
I don't think we've got that.
Press it. That looks too hard.
Thick piece.
Yes, just mind those fingers. Not too big, not too big. Okay. Well done. Into the bowl. Well done. Okay. Okay, Cleo, have we prepared everything?
Yes.
We have. Okay, so we're going to put in the vegetable first. So start off with the onion and put those in the bottom of the tray. Chip them in, spread them around a bit. That's it. Okay, that's it. And then we've got the sweet potato and the peppers. Lovely. Oh, there's a lot of those, isn't there? Just tip it in. Tip it in. That's it. Don't worry. That's it. Excellent. And lastly, the tomatoes. All right, and now, tricky bit. You've got to measure out 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, and you're going to sprinkle that all over the top. Can you manage that? Yeah, that's the tablespoon one. Right, yes, so do it over it, so if it spills, you're all right. Okay, so just sprinkle it over. It doesn't matter because we're going to mix it all up in a minute. And now another one on the top. That's it. Good girl. That's it. Sprinkle it over. That's it. Okay, now get the metal spoon and stir it all around. Go through all the vegetables, mix them up a bit, and try to get the olive oil onto all the veg. That's it. Keep going, keep going, keep turning, keep turning. Lovely. All right. Okay. Now the next thing is to put the pieces of chicken, spread them out evenly, and nestle them down into the vegetables. Can you do that? That's it. Push the veggies out of the way a bit. That's right. Good girl. That's it. Excellent. I think we've got 8 pieces, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's lovely. Okay. Now the next bit is, all right,
yep.
Are we done? Righto. Now we need a teaspoonful, because it's double the recipe, isn't it? Teaspoonful of the smoked paprika. That's it, you got it. Well done. That's it. You might find that a bit tricky to do. Do it over the mixture, that's it. Is it coming out all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes can be a bit tricky. Right, now you need to sprinkle that as best you can evenly over the chicken, because it gives it a nice colour. You can use your fingers if you like, just pinch a bit out and drop it on. That's it. Oh, you're doing well. Look at that. Okay. Have we got enough?
That's spilled onto there.
Well, you can use a bit more if you want to. That's it. Hey, we don't want half the jar on it.
Spilled onto there.
Yeah. Okay. That looks all right. Okay, and now this is a granny extra, is to put some garlic salt on it. That's it. So tip a little bit, like a teaspoonful, into your hand, maybe not that much, and then just pinch that.
I haven't used all of that.
Oh no, that's way too much. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
not as much as that. Sprinkle it over, and particularly on the meat. Gives it a good flavour. That's it. Okay. Keep going, keep going. Don't forget the one in the middle. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you won't get it back in like that. That's it. Okay, that's it. All right, and now, yeah, just put some pepper on your Right, some pepper. There's a plastic lid on the pepper, so that needs to come off over here. That's it. We won't put any more salt on because you put garlic salt on. Can you get it off?
Yeah.
That's it. Turn it upside down and grind it and spread it around. Lovely. Is it coming out? Can you see it coming out?
Yeah.
Yeah, all the way round. Make sure it gets to every corner. That's it. Okay.
Oh, I see the other one. Wait, that's...
Oh, we can hear it working now. I think that's going to be all right. Lovely. Okay, so it is now ready to go in the oven. Okay, Cleo, there it is, almost done. We've now got to add the chorizo, so just spread it across the top. Little bits everywhere, as far as you can get them, that's it. Mind the hot tray. Whoop. Don't worry, leave that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I do this?
Yeah, one for the, yeah, that's okay. That's it. Well done. Hopefully there'll be a bit for everyone. And then we're going to pop it back in the oven for just over 5 minutes. And then it will be finished. There we are, Cleo, the finished meal. Your tea, our tea, and probably a bit of salad on the side. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I have a thumbs up? Yee!